Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple beaded Christmas tree. So what you will need is one 15-inch or 38 centimeter piece of 28 gauge wire. I'm using this copper wire, black copper wire that I got on firemountaingems.com. And you will also need scissors to cut your wire and a ruler to measure your wire. And then you'll also need, for beads, you'll need 38 green beads for the base of the tree. You'll also need 15 colored beads. These ones I used I used a ton of colors for this one, but for the one I'm doing today, I'm just going to just do one color, red, and so it's more simple for you guys to follow. And then for the star, you'll need 5 gold beads, and then for the little trunk at the bottom, you'll need 2 brown beads. Okay, so first you're going to get your 15-inch piece of 28 gauge wire and straighten it out. And then meet the ends. Meet the both ends, and then drag your fingers down and then find the middle. Now you're going to take your 2 brown beads and stick them on your wire, and then have them rest in that little curve. Now you kind of have to hold them in place with your fingers, kind of hold them in that middle, in the middle, and then loop your wire around, or one of your wires around, and then through the beads. And then pull tight, and you can hold them in place. Now strip your wires back, and the wires should be pretty even. Now you're going to put 3 green beads on your wire, so 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to put 1 red bead on your wire, or whatever color you're using for your ornaments. And put 2 more green beads on your wire. 1 and 2. And then bring those down. And then you're going to get another red bead, put it on your wire, and then 2 more green beads, and bring them down. And then you're going to, because it's so much beads on one wire, you're kind of like going to bend it down a little bit, like make a loop, so they can kind of rest in that loop. And then you're going to take the wire that does not have your beads on it, and loop it around and through all of your beads. And now pull tight and make sure your trunk is in the middle of your other beads, like that. And then you can kind of crease it like that, so it kind of holds in place. And now you're going to take 5 of your green beads and put them on your wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now take 1 red bead, put it on your wire. That's a really small one. And then take 2 more green beads, put it on your wire, and then 1 more red bead. Bring them all the way down, and then fold it. Oops, my camera is not focused. Fold it down, and then take the wire that does not have beads on it and stick it through all the beads. And now pull tight. And now you're going to take one red bead, put it on your wire, and I mean, you don't have to do the exact ornament scattering that I'm doing, but I'm just kind of copying this one. But you can put the ornaments however or wherever you want. Alright, so after that one red bead, then you put 2 more green beads on your wire. And then 1 more red bead. And then 2 more green beads. And then another red bead. And then 1 more green bead. Now fold it down. And do the same thing, whatever wire does not have beads on it, loop it around and stick it through. Here we go. And now you're going to take 1 green bead, put it on your wire, 1 red bead, put it on your wire, and then 2 green beads, and then 1 red bead, 1 green bead, and then another red bead. Now, so with all of them down, you're going to bend this across and then do the exact same thing that we were doing with the others. And pull tight. And now for your 5th row, you're going to do 1 green bead, 1 red bead, 2 green beads, 1 red bead, and another green bead. So it would go green, red, green, green, red, green. So green bead. So green, red, green, green, red, and green. Now you're going to fold it down, and loop it around, loop the wire that does not have beads on it around and through your beads. Like that. And now, sorry, my beads are actually very dark in color, so you can't really see it very well, but they're lighter in real life. Alright, now for your 6th row, it's going to be green, red, green, green, green. So, a green bead, a red bead, and then 3 green beads. 1, 2, and 3. Bring them down, fold them, and stick your wire through. And now your next row is going to be green, 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 red. So 3 green beads. So 3 greens, 1, 2, 3, and a red. Now bring them down, fold them across, and loop your wire around and through the beads. and pull tight. Now for your next row, you're going to use your last red bead. So 1 red bead and then 2 green beads. And then do the same thing. And then your last row would be 2 green beads. Alright, now let's add the star. So you're going to put 1 of your gold beads on your wire. 1 gold bead. And then you're going to do 3 gold beads. 1, 2, and 3. And then kind of center it, bend it down and center it, and then do the same thing that we did. And pull tight. Now you're going to take your last gold bead and put it on your wire. And do the same thing that we were doing. And pull tight. And you should probably adjust your star a little bit because it's probably going to be crooked. So now we're going to secure it. We're going to take one of your wires. It might be a little difficult because it's kind of short. And stick it through, loop it around and stick it through and pull tight. We'll do that with the other one too. Loop it around, stick it through your bead, pull tight, and then take both of them and twist them together. And then snip off the excess. And then I like to fold down the little pokey thing. And there you have your little Christmas tree. It is all done, and there are both of them that I made. These will make really good little Christmas presents, maybe little Christmas ornaments or earrings, necklaces. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was easy and simple to follow. I hope you all enjoyed, and Merry Christmas. Make sure to subscribe for more videos as always. And yeah, I have one more Christmas video coming out. It's going to be a simple beaded present. It'll probably come out within the next couple days because Christmas is only a week away. Well, less than a week away now. But yeah, so I hope you all have a great day and enjoy this tutorial. Bye!